I'm starting to feel heat strokey again. I've got my little lapel mic here. And we're going to see how far away it works. Can I stand over here? Can I stand over here? Well, I'm trying out this mic, and it's cleanup day. I got all this wood I gotta get rid of, and it's very hot today. Come on, you can do it. This is the trim from the window, which I'm not going to have one. I don't know. It is trim. Let's save it. You never know. Okay, this gets saved. You know, this is trim too. Why not? And get them ready for next week's. Like this. See, this board just looks too crappy. I just don't want rat infested wood, and that's gnarly. Sweat keeps going in my eye. I am quickly getting tired. Yeah, another reason for trashing this wood is there's termite damage. There was a knot there. You can see the termite damage. So one of the signs of heat stroke is you start to get chills, which I'm getting right now. So I'm going to load up on water again. Also, the AC window unit is still in here, and it's so hot I'm leaving it on. This is a really long piece. Right on a knot. Let's avoid the knot. I'm starting to feel heat strokey again. Okay, I just scratched the screen. So, this blue outline is what the storage room is going to be like. But they want me to cut this concrete and pour new concrete. So, while I don't have my hopes up, I want to see how thick this concrete is. And then look at the code, because I know there's different footing requirements depending on the length of the building or the length of the structure. So I'm going to use the impact driver to see what it is right here, and then see how they laid it, what the thickness is here. Because if it's thick enough, maybe I can use some sort of anchor bolt system instead of having to pour concrete and then put the bolts into the wet concrete and anchor it that way. As you can see, I've cleaned up a lot. I've blocked this off so nobody can get through. I've got various boards stored here, and really I haven't done much of anything. I'm still waiting for the architect to complete his plans, because there's going to be a Simpson steel strong wall right there, and until he revises the plans I can't do much of anything. So let's see. Oh, that's interesting. It just died on me. Well, this cement only goes so far, but I can still feel cement down to here. I need to get my longer bit. That's this long, but it's getting stuck on the hole. I need something thinner. Okay, I'm feeling the edge right there. This is just a plain concrete slab. Let me see how deep that is. So this puts it at 7 inches. No, wait. No. I should be so lucky. No, it's a 4-inch slab. Let's see. This? I can't tell how deep this one is. Oh, copper pipe is hot. So that's consistent with what I've come to expect. You put down a 4-inch concrete slab. So I guess I'm pouring concrete here.
Well, I thought that wasn't going to happen, and yet it did.